In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play PlayStation 5 games on your Meta Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Natively, you aren't able to play PlayStation 5 games on a Meta Quest 2. You either have to connect it to your PC to play games on Steam and other platforms that support VR, or you need to play games natively on it. PlayStation 5 is sadly not included among that selection. However, there is a very easy workaround to get this to work. So as you might be aware, one thing that PlayStation offers nowadays is PlayStation Remote Play. This allows you to control your PlayStation 5 remotely from a PC or a mobile device. So all that you have to do is sideload PlayStation Remote Play into the Meta Quest 2. So when you are running PlayStation Remote Play on the Meta Quest headset, you will consequently be able to connect your PlayStation 5 into the Remote Play session, so you are indirectly going to be playing PlayStation games using your Meta Quest 2. So the process can be quite lengthy, but I'm gonna give you the general overview. If you need additional instructions, I recommend reading manuals on how to use these tools. But basically, you will need to download Mobile VR Station, because in here you will need to install an APK referring to the PlayStation app and PlayStation Remote Play. And after you have Mobile VR Station, open a web browser on the Meta Quest and download the PlayStation app APK and PlayStation Remote Play. APK is basically the installer for these apps, so it's as if you are downloading an app through the Play Store or the App Store, but you need to use an APK in this case because you need to use an installer. Look for them on sites like APK Pure, which should be safe. So once you have the PlayStation app and the PlayStation Remote Play APKs, open Mobile VR Station. And inside of Mobile VR Station, you will be guided through the process and you will find the option to browse through your downloads. And then once you find the APK, open it up. Go through the install process and open the application. So you will have to sign into your account on the PlayStation app and then the PlayStation Remote Play application. Play your favorite games on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 remotely using this device. So sign into your PlayStation Network account and make sure that you are in close proximity of your PlayStation 5. Once the PlayStation 5 console is connected, or a PlayStation 4 in this screenshot example here, you will see all of your controls, and you will be able to enable Remote Play. You can maximize the view so it takes up your peripheral vision and gives you the VR experience. Keep in mind that this is essentially going to be simulated virtual reality. It is impossible to get native VR on PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 games. You will need the proper headset connected to the PlayStation, so PSVR. But for this method, you can still have the feeling of being in a virtual reality world. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to play PlayStation on Meta Quest 2, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.